So I've got to the point where I've saved a selection. Where has that selection saved to? In fact, Photoshop has created a new channel to store the selection information. So in my channels palette, I have my composite channel, which I'm seeing in the display at the moment, and the three color channels, red, green, and blue, which make up the composite. So Command 2 shows me the composite, Command 3 the red channel, Command 4 the green channel, Command 5 the blue channel. I was going to switch back to Command 2 to see the composite. If I was to single click onto the saved selection channel, I can see that it's presenting that what's called the alpha channel information, and it's a key thing to be aware in Photoshop when masking and using saved channels, that black equals the mask. In other words, an area of the image that might be transparent, and white equals the saved selection. So if I have tones in between, say a middle grey, then that will be a part of the image that's semi-selected. Okay, Command 2, Command 6 showing me the saved selection. If I were to brush, grab my brush tool and paint with black into the selection, and return to my layer, I'm able to load the selection either by hitting load selection or Command Option 6. I'll see that that painted area has loaded up as part of the selection as well. Just going to type Command D. I'm going to go back to my selection area. This time typing the letter D to set the default black and white as foreground and background. Paint that back out. Back in my layers, if I now type Command Option 6, I can see the original selection. Great, well I've made a few changes. Probably time to save the document from my assets area into my working document area.